Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss how we can find duplicate rows by using countifs and if function. So guys, as you can see here, we have a table called serial number, product, pieces purchased in 2020 and pieces sold on 2020. So let us write it as sold here. Fine. So in order, if you see the table, if you did see the table roughly, you might not find duplicates. If you see the table very closely, you can see this first row, number 1 Dell 4400 pieces purchased, 3200 are sold. The same will call continue here, and this is a duplicate. Guys, one of the ways to find duplicate is using the table countif, using the method countif, sorry. Let us write the formula count ifs. So we can see the formula we have criteria range. First let us write the criteria. Criteria will be A2, B2, C2 and D2. So let us write A2. In order to select the entire row, entire column of A, we have to give reference of absolute reference. So you can just click F4 or manually you can write $A, $2, $2 or you can just write A2 and click on F4. It will become absolute reference. Then we have to write it as A2. So second is the criteria, second argument. So argument will be A2 again. So now we move to the second range. Second parameter is criteria range 2 and then criteria, so which matches the entire column of B. So let me just copy this. Let me just paste it here in order to have comparison of the B column. So here we got the B column and then we need the C column also, so that we can find out the duplicates in the entire table. So let me write it down as C and then we have to compare with D also. So let me just write it down as D absolute reference, D and then D. Let me just close the bracket, specify it. As you can see here, we have got 1 and these, so 9th row, 10th row, 11th row and 12th row are duplicate. So what if I just change the value of number 8 or number 12? Will it be a duplicate? It won't be a duplicate. See? Now, to make it more user friendly, so I'll name the duplicate what and all are the duplicates here. I don't want for this, right? So let me just name the duplicates. For that we have another formula. We'll just write if condition. If I might need the entire formula, for that let me just copy the entire formula here. Copy the entire formula. Let's copy it. We'll put it at the end. We'll write it here. If condition, open bracket, greater than 1. So what if it is true? So I want to display it as if the condition is greater than 2, if whatever the count is greater than 1. So okay, I have just wrote less than 1. That should be if it is greater than 1. So I'll write this is duplicate entry, or I'll just write duplicate entry. So what if it is false? So I don't want to write anything. So let me just give it a tab. See here. So these four are duplicate entries here. So let me just add one more column. One more column. It's a duplicate entry, and this one we have to drag it till the end. See, this is more than one. This exactly represents all the Oppo brands. Here, number 8th row is in its 8th row is 1 because it's not a duplicate. It's the first time iteration. Second and third occurrence. This is one of the ways to tackle duplicates in Excel when we have large sets of data by using countifs. This is the formula for that. And if you want to particularly name the entire row which is duplicate in the table, just use the if condition of the countif in the bracket. Which way, if it is true, then write a duplicate entry. If it is false, then just leave it as a blank, or you can write whatever inside it. If you like the video, guys, please like the video. If you're a new viewer, click on subscribe. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.